Hello and welcome to ELITECAD at Work on the topic importing a surveyor's plan. Today I will show you how easy it is to import a surveyor's plan into ELITECAD and to adjust colors, line and line widths with the help of our DXF configuration tool. In order to be able to design a building correctly in terms of location and size, it is often necessary to use a site plan as a basis. This is usually transmitted by the surveyor as a PDF or in my case a DXF file. However, it is often the case that colors and line widths are no longer correspond to the original after exporting or importing from other CAD programs. I have already imported a site plan into ELITECAD architecture, but most of the lines are displayed in the same color. I can now click on each line individually and adjust the parameters, or I open the Load DXF dialog, which I can open at File, Import DXF. Here I have various options for obtaining information about the imported file. Using the Show Info button, I select the item Colors and a window opens in which the file is displayed. I select it and confirm with Open. Now I'm shown which colors or pens are available or have been found in the file. I use this information as a basis for adjusting pens and colors. I click on the Tables button and select Pen. Here, based on the configuration file pre-installed by ELITECAD, I am shown which pens from DXF files are imported into ELITECAD by default. In this window, I can simply change, delete or add pens. If I have changed something and want to use this list for further imports in the future, I can easily save it to any location. To do this, I only need to confirm with OK and enter the file name via the File menu. Save configuration and select the storage location. I have already created such a configuration for this site plan and will now select it from the File menu, Load Configuration. The property boundaries are lined in the way the surveyor originally did, but since I would like to use dash dot lines, I have adjusted this as well in the configuration. The procedure was exactly the same as for the pens. Now simply select the file, press Open, confirm with OK, do not save the drawing, select the desired plan and click on Open. The plan is imported and as you can see, I'm now shown different colors and the adjusted line type of the property boundaries. I have configured the pen so that all the information of the surveyor's plan is available in the file and everything I do not want to see in the plots I have created has been changed to the pen 0. This way I always have the information of the surveyor at hand and the plots only contain the most important data. The configuration tool has saved me a lot of time and I can start my design more quickly and then hand it over to the interested parties according to my ideas. So you see how easy and fast it is to import a DXF into ELITECAD Architecture 16 without spending hours each time adjusting details or redrawing something. See you next time. Feel free to expect more.